Here's how I learned to do my very first pull-up at the gym. If you've always wanted to do one but still can't, try this. Start with doing bodyweight rows with a barbell. You can do this on a Smith machine or in a squat rack, just make sure the barbell is secure. The lower you place the bar, the higher the resistance. As you get stronger, do negative pull-ups. Step on a bench or chair, grab the bar and slowly let yourself down. Now my bar is a bit high, so I'm starting at eye level, but if you can, try to start with your chin above the bar. I just don't want you to jump from your bench to try to get your chin above, so start whatever level you can. As you get stronger and more confident, here's how to get your chin above the bar. Do half pull-ups where you're starting from the bench and pulling yourself up, your chin above the bar. Continue with the negatives and slowly let yourself come down. That's how you'll build strength. Now grab some resistance bands. The thicker the band, the easier. Place 1 or 2 legs in it and you can pull up from there. This is a great way to develop those back muscles. Strengthening your back with dumbbells and cable machines will also help your progress in doing pull-ups.